Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study Guide. Today we are discussing the MSc Forensic Science due 2020 entrance exam question paper, and we have discussed the 10 question in our previous video. If you haven't watched that, first watch those videos, then move toward this. This is the second part. Let's move toward the question. The question 11 is, what is the likelihood that a parent with a type AB blood would have a child with a type O blood? Option A 50%, option 2 25%, option 3 cannot be determined without knowing the blood type of the other parent, and option 4 0%. Basically, the answer for this question is 0%. Why? Because if the parent is AB and the other parent is any kind of other blood group, maybe a O blood group or a B or A, all the children will be of any type of the A or B, never be of the O blood group. So the correct answer is option 4, 0%. Next question, the full name of NMR. This is very simple question. Option A, nuclear magnetic resolution. Option B, nuclear magnetic remittance. Option 3, nuclear magnetic resonance. Option 4, nuclear magnetic resistance. The correct answer for this is the option 3, that is nuclear magnetic resonance. Let's move toward the next question, that is question 13. The study of hair is known as 1. Toxicology, 2. Trichology, 3. Traumatology, 4. Thanatology. The correct answer for this is the option 2. Trichology, because the toxicology is basically dealing with the toxic products, uh, and the traumatology is dealing with the injured part of the patient, and this thanatology is basically deals with the study of the death and the dying. So the correct answer for this is the option 2, the trichology. Next question, question 14. Electrophoresis is mainly used for 1. Differentiating the biological sample. Option 2. Performing the human specific presumptive test. Option 3. DNA isolation from the biological material. Option 4. Separation of the molecules. Here we have even used this electrophoresis in our undergraduation, and this is basically used in the separation of the molecules. So the correct answer for this is the option 4, the separation of the molecules. Next question, question 15. Illegal way of trafficking animal is known as 1. Kidnapping, 2. Poaching, 3. Harboring, 4. Smuggling. The correct answer for this is the option 2, that is poaching, and the person who does is called the poacher. Next question, question 16. For examination of the diatoms, samples should be collected from 1. Bone marrow, 2. Blood, 3. Tissue, 4. Epithelial cells. This is a tricky question. If you know answer, it is correct. The first option, this is bone marrow, is the correct answer for this. Next question, question 17. The presumptive test for the specimen is, that is the confirmatory test if this is a semen or not. So the test conducted is basically the acid phosphatase test. This acid phosphatase test is the conducted for the presumptive test of the semen. Next question, question 18. Restriction enzymes are used in one of these techniques. First, sequencing. Second, genotyping. Third, RFLP, fourth polymerization. The correct answer for this is the option 3, that is RFLP. RFLP stands for restriction fragment length polymorphism. Here the restriction enzymes are used to cut the DNA, and after that they are undergo through the gel electrophoresis and the different bands are observed. Let's move toward the next question. Next question is question 19. The Bureau of the Police Research and Development is situated in 1. New Delhi, 2. Lucknow, 3. Chandigarh, 4th Mumbai. The correct answer for this is first New Delhi. Last question, question 20 for this session. The, the soil, the control soil sample should be collected within the distance of dash of the quotient soil region. Option 1, 1 inch. Option 2, 3 or 4 inches. Option 3, 8 inches. Fourth, 1 feet. The correct answer for this is option 2, 3 or 4 inches. We have discussed the 20 question of this MSc Forensic Science due 2020, and other question we will discuss in next video. Please subscribe this channel and please stay tuned. Thank you very much.